Hey guys, Zexus here. In today's video, we are going to install Bobcat Heist script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. The Bobcat Heist is from Savana script. I'll provide their source link in the description below. From here, you can see the preview of the script. You just need to click on add to basket and purchase the script. After purchasing the script, you will receive these two scripts in your key masters. Granted asset section, you just need to download them both. After downloading it, you just need to extract the files. Now open the heist file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. And in the requirement file, we have the minigames of the heist and Bobcat MLO. So we just need to copy them all and paste it into our FiveM resource folder, just like this. Now open the Bobcat Heist script, then config.lua. In the config file, the door lock is aux door lock. So I'll be changing the aux into QB. After that, the framework is ESX framework. So we just need to change the ESX to QB. In here, to start the robbery, we need a thermite. You can configure the item as you like, and the cop requirement is 0. So you can configure the loot time, cop requirement, next rob time, and in here you can see there's a section called config.rewards. In here you can configure the loot items as you like. So that's it for the configuration part. Now let's start the server. So this is where we have to start our heist. As you can see in the map, this is the location of our Bobcat's headquarters. So to start the heist, we need a thermite. So let's spawn a thermite. Now let's plant the thermite. So while planting the thermite, we'll receive a minigame to solve. So let's solve the minigame as well. Okay. Ouch, my bad. Okay, we solved the minigame. Okay, now door is unlocked. Now let's open this door as well. 2413. Okay, I think, yeah, we unlocked the door. Let's take the gun. Let's go in there. Okay. There's already security guards. We have to kill them all. These are the Bobcat's guard. So let's kill them all. Okay, I think all the guards has been dead. Okay, there's one more. Okay, I think this much it. Now let's open this vault. We just need to plant bomb. Okay, one more. That's it. Now let's hide somewhere else. Okay, and now let's wait for 10 seconds. Okay, after that, let's go inside and let's loot the containers. Let's see what we'll get. Okay, we got one carbine rifle. Now let's check this vault as well. And from here we received an SMG. Okay, now let's get out from this area. Okay, now we successfully escaped from the Bobcat. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.